crazy little sexy little crew.
Hey MB crew, what's up? It's your girl Mona B, and I'm back with a new video. But before we get into the video, make sure you turn on your post notifications so that you are notified whenever your girl posts a new video. Make sure you click, ooh, it's something on my lash. So make sure you click the bell next to the subscribe button and select all so that you get notified for all of the videos. And also make sure you hit that subscribe button. And also make sure you follow me on my Instagram and Twitter at MonaXBanks. It will be on the screen, and you guys know it's always in the description box below. So I know y'all like, girl, just get into the video. We seen the title. What's up? We see you, girl. You looking popping. You know what I'm saying? You giving us bald baddie. You know, I know. I'm giving it to y'all. No, but y'all, I don't even know where to begin. Like, where should I start this? Like, do I show y'all my haircut? Do I talk about it? So let's just go ahead and talk about it. So if you guys are not up to date, or if you haven't watched my last couple of videos, then you know I have been so tired of my hair. I've been telling y'all that I'm over it. I just can't deal. I haven't been getting any styling tutorials from me because I was just so over my hair. I wasn't really inspired by it. It was giving me the blues, and I was just like done with it. So yeah, I literally am done with it, and I went to the barbershop this morning. I have been contemplating probably for the last week, like, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and get my hair cut. And I just woke up this morning and was like, I'm going to the barbershop. I'm going to the barbershop and I'm getting my hair cut off. And that's what I did. Unfortunately, I didn't even take a before picture, like whatever. And so I know you guys are also thinking like, why did you cut your hair? And you just posted the hair growth video telling us how to grow out our hair, what you use to grow out your hair. My hair was in perfect health, you guys. My hair was growing out beautifully. It's just that I was tired of the length. I don't want any length. I just really love short hair, and that's what I wanted with my hair at the moment. And so that's what I went ahead and did. My natural hair wasn't really making me happy anymore. I literally feel like I've worn every hairstyle possible, and I just got to a point where I was bored. And I don't know, I'm really drawn to short hair because I love the way short hair looks on me. Excuse this pimple that doesn't want to go away, but I love how short hair fits my face. And I was just like, girl, just cut your hair, make yourself happy. And so that's what I went ahead and did, and I feel so much better. I feel like a weight has been lifted off my shoulders. I just needed a change, something fresh, as you guys know. And if you do not know, I have been natural for 7 years. Do you hear me? 7 years. So I was natural before I even got on YouTube. And so yeah, I'm just kind of like done. Like, I want to do something else, do something different. I feel like I pretty much, like I said, done every hairstyling tutorial you can think of doing on YouTube. And I was just like, no, do something for yourself for once. And I feel like the videos are still there. You guys can still reference those videos to get hair tips and hairstyles and things like that. But it just came to the point where I feel like I was only growing my hair out for you guys, honestly. And I'm not blaming you guys. I'm just saying I was only growing out my hair for YouTube. I wasn't really growing out my hair for me. So you guys know what it's been like, a year and 6 months is when I did my third big chop. And I was only growing out my hair for the purpose of the YouTube. I was like, yeah, I'm going to grow out my hair. But I knew deep down inside I really didn't want to grow out my hair. But I was like, let me just grow out my hair, because that way, you know, if I grow out my hair, then, you know, I have YouTube tutorials and they be able to watch them, and you know, and views and all this other stuff. And it was just like, girl, no. So I just kind of got fed up with that, because I kind of feel like, to be honest, ain't nobody watching the hair tutorials anyways. I'm gonna just be real about it. But that's a whole separate video. I'm gonna be talking about my channel in a whole separate video, so I'm not even gonna get into that within this video. But yeah, I feel like I was only growing my hair out for YouTube purposes. I really liked my hair when it was short. I was loving it. It gave me such confidence. I had this confidence about myself. And not to say that when my hair is growing out I'm not confident, but I don't know what it is when my hair is short like this. Like, I feel like I'm that chick. Like, I feel like when I walk into the room, like, I'm gonna turn some heads, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, I just feel more confident in myself with my hair short. I just love it. Not that I don't feel confident when my hair is longer, but I don't know, this just does something to me, and I feel like short hair is my look. And so yeah, that's a part of the reason why I really was growing out my hair, honestly, was for YouTube. And it just got to a point where it was like, no girl, do what you want to do. You can still make YouTube videos. Either they love you for your personality and who you are, so they will continue to support you and watch and everything like that. So I hope you guys do continue to rock with me on this cut life journey. So yeah, that's pretty much sums it up. Like, I have been wanting to cut my hair for a while. I wasn't really happy. I'm tired of doing twist styles, braid outs. I'm tired of doing all of that. I'm just gonna be completely honest. I'm over it. Like I said, I've been natural for 7 years. Like, I done so many hairstyles, and I'm just done. So I want to explore with my the short hair. I might grow it out a little bit, but I'm gonna keep it short, so you might see it longer at some points, you might see it shorter at some points. It just all depends. I definitely am going to explore some color, which is something that I've been dying to do. And now that my hair is shorter, you know, when I'm over the color, I can just buzz it right on off. So the shortest my hair has been. I said this the last time I big chop, but this is the shortest. Like, I mean, my hair is super short, and I will show you guys from all angles as soon as, you know, I get done talking to you guys about it. But yeah, I'm really happy with my decision. I love my short natural hair. I think it's so cute. I can't wait to experiment with this, slick it down, and do different things to it. And I feel so much lighter. Like, I feel so good, if you guys know what I mean. And if you do not know, if you remember, and if you're an OG MB crew member and you've been here since the beginning, I started my channel with cut hair, shaved hair. I didn't come on YouTube, you know what I'm saying, with a full head of hair. So it's kind of nice to get back to my roots and get back to what I was doing when I first got on YouTube. Not to say I didn't enjoy the natural tutorials. They were great. I enjoyed them. But I think for right now in my journey, they've run their course, and it's time for me to just experiment with something else. Do a little, you know, just do something different. I still will be here on my channel. I think I'm gonna get back into doing makeup more here on my channel, because you guys always ask me, and I kind of don't do makeup tutorials anymore. I don't know. So maybe we'll experiment. I'll show you guys products, and I'll get back into product reviews and stuff like that, because it'll be a lot easier because I don't have any hair. So I can review products, and I think that's going to be really dope. But I'm really happy with my decision. I'm probably next up after this video, I'll probably do like a excuse me y'all, a wash day routine. How I wash my hair and style it is really quick. It doesn't take me any time, and yeah, so I'm definitely gonna color it. So let me know in the comments what color you guys think I should color my hair. I'm only gonna do the middle though. I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna do like the sides, because I have sensitive skin and I don't know about letting color touch my sides. But let me know what color you guys think I should color my hair. Leave it in the comments, and maybe I'll choose what you guys pick or whatever. Things can't always stay the same, and I know for me, I get bored really easily, and I was just tired of doing puffs and stuff. They're beautiful. I think all natural hairstyles are beautiful, but I was just like, no girl, like, I want to be done. I want to be done. I want to do me, and that's exactly what I decided to do. I don't want to sit on here and say I will never grow out my hair. I'm not gonna say that, just like I probably shouldn't have said in the past that I'm gonna grow out my hair and I'm not gonna cut it. Who knows, you know, I'm just one of those people who knows. Maybe I'll grow it out again one day, maybe I won't, I don't know. But for now, I know I'm definitely gonna stay short for a very long time, because I just love it. Like, I love it. But yeah, I just went to the barbershop. He cut my hair. I told him exactly how I liked it. I showed him a picture, and he did what I asked for. So yeah, so I'm gonna experiment. I'll probably get more designs, and, you know, just do it up. I'm gonna live my best life with my hair and have some fun. Some of you guys are gonna be like, I seen it coming, you know. A lot of you guys, see, that's why y'all need to follow me on Instagram, because a lot of the MB crew been writing me on Instagram, and they like, because I've been hinting that I want to cut my hair and stuff like that. That I want to cut my hair, and I've been like posting old pictures of my hair in my story, and a lot of y'all was like, yeah, you would look so cute with your short cut again, and y'all was like, yes girl, do it. I didn't say I was gonna really do it, but y'all was already on a bandwagon. So I'm like, so the MB crew that be on IG, y'all stand up in the comments, okay? No. So if you guys want to see like the products and stuff that I'm currently using, because I switch it up, it's totally different from what I used to use when I had my short hair. But I'm gonna go ahead, I can't even talk. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my full head, let you guys see what's going on. It just feels so good. I love it. So this is the right side of my head. So as you guys can see, I have a line going through it, really cute, chic, you know, really cute and chic, okay? And then the rest is just pretty much like faded, you know, regular schmegular, longer, a little bit longer in the top. You guys know, y'all know. But yeah, I have, my hair is kind of like, you guys know how when you go from long to short, you have to train your hair. So that's what I have to do. So I bought a brush and everything, so I'm gonna be like trying to train my hair to get it. Yeah, I got up so early today. I was so sleepy, excuse me for yawning. But I'm gonna be training my hair. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be training my hair, so it may change a bit, like as far as like I don't know, it might get a little bit more wavy or something. We'll see. Let me know what you guys think about my new cut in the comments. Did you see it coming? Did you already know? Let me know what you guys are doing with y'all hair and everything in the comments below. And I just want to thank you all for watching. Thank you all for supporting me throughout the years. Yes, I still will be doing hair videos. I'll be doing some of everything. I'm going to bring some of the old stuff back on my channel that I haven't did in a long time that you guys really like. Catch me here. I'm not going anywhere. But yeah, so I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and supporting me all these years. I will see you all on my next one. Bye.